Guys, what's up? It's your girl Donnell. Today I'm going to show you how I clean this 360 cup. You've got to stay watching because I'm going to be honest, I didn't even realize until today that this thing could literally be taken apart. Stay watching, I'll be back in a bit.
I've been pushing work all summer.
And if you're the type of person like I am, I purchase things all the time and I just disregard the directions. I mean, it's just a cup, right? It's just basic instructions on how to use. And I didn't realize that this thing, I was just cleaning it by opening it up and washing and just cleaning around the rim. And let me try to get some better lighting. Just cleaning around the rim right here. That's all I was doing. So I thought, honestly, truthfully, I feel like such a bad mom. I thought I was truthfully cleaning it. I thought that, guys, you just don't understand. I feel like such a bad mom because I thought that I just needed to open it up like this and clean the inside of the cup and that part. I was clueless today as I was rinsing it out for baby girl, and I was looking around the lid, and as I was looking around it, I noticed some spots. And you see it right there. And that was when I went like, oh my gosh, this thing, and I tried to remove it, and that was when I decided to pull it off. Just like this. Unsnap it just like that. And look what I found. So I'm here today to let other moms know, like myself. And I'm telling you right now, I feel like such a bad mama that I didn't realize that this thing could come apart. Look, it just snaps right back in, just like that, and you unsnap it off. I feel like such a bad mom that for the past couple months, I've just been rinsing it out and not thoroughly cleaning this. This video is here to help to inform some other person like myself who does not read instructions that, yeah, hello, if you have a 360 cup, if you have one of these, girl or boy or whoever, thing can be taken apart in several ways. So it's not just like this, but you have to unsnap it like this. Anyways, that's it for today. I hope that I was able to help somebody out there. Don't worry, I'm gonna go right now and clean this cup right now the correct way. I'm gonna sterilize this thing right now. And oh my gosh, look at that. It's just so nasty looking. For today, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with a friend or two. And remember, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Switches until next time. Ciao.